Je, nije, gdje je best, gdje je best. A, hoće, dobro, dobro. Nemoj ti sad na silu, samo ovo kaj možeš, sigurno. Pa da, samo lagano. Eto, ništa, pozdravite doma i vidimo se opet. Ajde. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Yo, yo, yo. Let wait. Already 20 people. Okay, let's go. Šta ima bre? Hello, guys. Thank you for coming in. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. You're fucking amazing, guys. So, okay. 30 viewers already. That damn, bro. So let's start. So I'm gonna go with explanation of my euro-dollar long that I took an L. So I hit loss here. So yeah, maybe I could not enter it, but I was thinking like, okay, I was waiting for longing from this order block, and I said in my group like trading idea. So basically it was this trading idea, and I didn't like it, the price action. So basically we are in some sort of huge consolidation with let's say illiquid day, and there's no fast transactions, no some momentum, and I was like, okay, let's take internal low. So we took double. You see, we took this one, and I was like, okay, potentially solid rotation back to the highs, some sort of relative equal highs. So it was like range play, and I was thinking about this. So literally from here to here to here until some news. That was my play. But also there was channel liquidity. Also we can check on dollar index. We are cooking, okay. And yeah, it's fine. Solid stop loss. Could I skip it? Yes, but somehow it shows that lower time from structure like this with propulsion order block. And most of times when you have propulsion order block, you have good market structure. So it shows a good indication for reversal or continuation. So in this example it will be continuation higher, but as you can see we rejected massively and then pump it, and I was like, okay, this is some fuckery around, and probably either gonna be huge win or huge or fast stop loss, and it was sadly fast stop loss, and I'm fine, it's fine. That's why I took only 1% risk, it wasn't 2% risk. So yes, and I didn't take on Fanden. That's important. So I took on challenge because it was lower probability trade, and it is what it is. So from here I'm gonna skip euro completely for until next day. So tomorrow or maybe even for whole week, because it's that consolidation. We need expansion, and I was thinking about taking the highs, so I will show you on higher time frame. So what I was thinking about this, exactly this. You see, I want to take this high so we can solid SMT divergence with the dollar index. Even dollar index shows this, I mean, it has to go up. Mechanically, it has to be retracement. But I would like rather to have solid divergence. With solid divergence, you can actually participate in break of correlations, and it means that you can actually have the lowest low of the next quarters, let's say. So proper reversal, it means proper reversal. It is what it is. So for the gold, I showed that I want to short it. I was thinking about short, and you see how it's cooking around here. Probably this looks like in crypto, it looks like Bart pattern, but with this trend and momentum, we need rejection. Actually, we need rejection from here and break this low to continuation lower and have mechanical retracement here. But does it have to be it can go up. Yes, it can go for 3.3k. Yes, it is key mental level 3,300. It's psychological huge level, and that's why I was thinking about front running, because I do believe I mean, you have basic rules. Probably you heard that around round numbers there's a lot of mental barrier. It seems weird in terms of whole price action, order flow, everything that happened in price, but we are humans. That's the problem. We are fucking humans, and we wanna sell it. Let's say we wanna sell it around round numbers, or buy it around round numbers. So it's in human nature. That's why in trading, round numbers have key level. Like try to observe, especially when you, let's say Bitcoin, let's say 86 is key level. You see how it's cooking before breaking. It's cooking. Probably it's gonna be break 86, and if I'm right, then we're gonna go for 90k. If I'm right, and probably I am right, with this consolidation around here, around this resistance, this is huge sign, guys. This is like the sign you wishing for, especially when you have in inverse fair value gap cooking like this, without bleeding, without breaking any structure. This is gonna go up. So we had open. Yes, we had open. Nice. Let's check open. So first 5 minutes, Nasdaq pump it. Okay, cool. So let's wait. Okay, now we wait 30 minutes after open. So let's see what's gonna happen. Probably will continue higher, in my opinion. We fulfill the gap. That's very important. You see, we fulfilled the gap and automatically reject. We didn't even fully retrace. So we are cooking around here. And if we don't close, you see, if we don't close above this high with body close, then that's not good sign. So we can have rejections or actually retracement to this. So we have 24 minutes, so don't worry. And in 24 minutes on M5, so it's like 4 candles. Don't worry. Let's see what's gonna happen. We can full retrace here and then pump again. Anyway, my point is, now we observe. Keyword observe. I want some confirmations around. I don't like that we have candle. We have open without wick, so I don't like the candle. So let's check out H4. H4, we have massive rejection from this gap. You see how many rejections we have actually. And if you mark it like this, yes, we have small close that's not countable, and we automatically reject them. But if we mark it like this, yeah, it's rejection. But I mark fully, so I'm using like this anyway. So yes, it sounds good. So let's see. Now we observe. let's see S&P divergence. I don't like it. We need pump, we need push. The thing is, we pumped on open, so let's see. Crypto looks very strong, very strong, and I like it. Ethereum looks bad. Still, it looks bad. I'm not gonna lie. There's no real momentum, OG momentum to pump it, but it doesn't mean it won't. Probably we're gonna break huge. So if I have to take trade, probably I'll mark it in long here. I mean, I will wait for long in, and then 2.5. I mean, it will go higher for sure, but let's go level by level. So if I have to take trade, I will hunt these highs, okay? And now the question is about entry, and we have like H4 TSD, bearish one. We took the liquidity and we filled the gap, yes, but I think it's a fucking trap, you know. And as you can see, there's no real OG momentum for shorts. It's like consistently cooking bullish structure, you see. So let's see what's gonna happen. I need just confirmation indices so I can jump in on Ethereum, and I'm long Ethereum. Or let's see Solana. Solana even looks sexier. Solana looks like it will break. You see, we have equal highs, guys. It's pure clean. This is clean trade, fellas. So clean tap in, easy tap in, and then maybe we can cook like this, but probably we will not. If I'm right, then we should go bum, something like this. But we have these let's say gaps, so mechanically we should go like this. That will be cleanest mechanical part, but it doesn't mean. And the issue is it's Tuesday. The problem, it's completely illiquid week. There's no specific news, guys. That's the issue, guys. Pozdrav. Go, what's up? 100 views, guys. Let's go. Damn, bro. So, damn, son. Anyway, as let's say there's a lot of you, so I'm gonna show you some, I will not say secrets, but my part of understanding of price action and everything, and maybe you can use it to actually reduce the losses. Okay, so Ethereum probably will look this big, very good trade probably. So let's see before. Nice, that's what I want. Nice, give me Nasdaq. Told you. Nice. We need close. 20 minutes for the close. Okay, let's wait. We have nothing to do. Not rushing into any trade, but we will jump in. Don't worry. So Nasdaq 20 minutes. Okay. Meantime, I'm gonna explain you a little bit of price action. So how do I minimize my losses? By pure understanding of mechanical retracements. Okay. So first thing first, I will make something like this. Okay, we have freeboard. Okay, so you follow me? Okay. Yes, everything. Oh, good question. I'll answer later. Very good question, and it helps me a lot. Okay, so we have a ton of things in trading, and it can be very hard to understand. But I want to first start with market maker models, just about understanding the ranges. So first thing first, we have something like this. Okay, so this is market maker buy model. Probably you know it. If you don't know it, I really recommend you to use it. Okay, so price is always cooking around the ranges, and the thing is, everything is a range. Okay, first thing, lower time frame trend is higher time frame just one candle. Okay, so let's say M5 trend like this. Let's say on euro dollar. Right now is this part, but okay, let's say this M5 on H4 is one fucking candle. Okay, really understand this, very important, because when you understand that you are dissecting consistently all time frames, you're trading price. So you're trading three parts. You're trading price, you're trading time, this is important, and you're trading volume. Volume plus liquidity. Let's add that combo bombo in one. That's why body clauses tells you the volume. You can use other things like volume profile and everything to dissect volume part, and I really recommend it. It's useful, especially if you master it. But let's focus on pure price action. Let's say you don't have any fucking tool, you have just fucking candlesticks. Okay, so from market maker buy model, this is everything one candle. This can be one fucking daily candle, literally. You have even indicator. Look, let me know which can, if you are here, how the name of indicator, what's the name of indicator for the candle? PO3, I think. It doesn't, bro, what? Okay, let me see if it works. So I just want to show you, bro, why am I blah, blah, blah. No, okay, you see, and let's go on lower time frame. You see, whole price section on this M15, whole price section one candle. This is what you have to understand first. Very, very important. Okay, now we can continue with, I'll delete, I don't need it, I just rotate it easily. Anyway, so let's get back to my board. Oh, where did I write? Fucking, okay, so okay, nice. So basically we are here. So we have three parts, right? So how to understand mechanics. Price will consistently do four things. I'll put it. First is consolidation. Then after consolidation you have fucking expansion, okay? After expansion you have fucking retracement, okay? After retracement you have either reversal or back to another expansion or back to cooking consolidation, okay? That's very important. After each expansion there is retracement. So when you miss the move, don't FOMO in. Literally, don't FOMO in. It's fine. Why? Because price will easily retrace. Why? Because many fellas gonna take profits around these levels. Many fellas gonna short. Many fellas gonna actually long and get liquidated around here. Many fellas actually have break even. Break even is a liquidity. Okay? Why? Because you are providing your money into markets. Okay, it's in order book. We can see your break-even trade. Bam, you get stopped out. Your liquidity. Okay, and then you have bam, massive another expansion. Or if it's time for reversal, time. If it's time, then you get reversal. Okay, so these are four key for understanding of price behavior. Really important if you wanna have my eyes. This is what you have to understand. First thing. When you understand this properly, you will not short consolidation like this. You will not long here in expansion. You will not short in retracement. You will wait for reversal structure to make. So we have two types of reversal. Okay, let's go about reversals. So we can always, you have two pairs, pair A, pair B. And you combine them as correlation, okay? So pair A makes another swing high, okay? And that's called stop hunt. Meantime, pair B doesn't make, it just retrace, okay? You see, that's SMT divergence. That's what you need for reversal, break in correlation. If you do not have SMT divergence, you don't do nothing in terms of reversal. It's still continuations, okay? And then price do this, then price just drop this, okay? That's a reversal. Same for the longs. Same for the longs. Same for the longs, okay? So let's back up. Now, market maker buy model combines pretty much everything. It combines range, you see expansion, range expansion, reversal, expansion, retracement, consolidation, another expansion, consolidation, bump. Okay, that's why I really like market maker models, because it shows you that you can have entry, let's say short here, you can have short here, you can have even short here to long it, you can do everything, right? But it's important to understand the structure of it, so you will not be I'm missing out or everything. Yeah, there is some, yeah, I agree, there is some charts that looks like this. Yes, I agree, and you are horny. They are cooking and just boom. Yes, it happens. Yes, it exists. But do you wanna be gambler and trying to chase those pumps, or you wanna be top G that will consistently make money, not only 2 months of big expansions like this, and then lost everything they made. Nah, you wanna be consistent. Even it's slow progress, it's slow time. It takes fucking courage to be everyday disciplined and showing up. Yes, it's hard, but it makes you fucking money, especially when you slowly starting to size up your capital, your mental game, and everything. It starts to be easy. Actually, your 1% right now maybe it's $10, but in next 3 years it's gonna be $1,000. In next 6 years it's gonna be 100K. You see the time decays. Okay, I show you already so many alpha. Good. So that's a few keys you need to understand. Okay, and okay, every expansion has a retracement. Okay, so let's see price action right now. Nice. Okay, we have confirm H1. Good. I don't think you want retrace. Let me see Ethereum. I'm missing move. Okay, probably I missed one. Let's see what's gonna cook. I like it. 86 400. Damn boy. Yes. Yes, I'm so happy about it. I've been calling this trade easy. 90K, guys. 90K. We're gonna rotate to 100K. Hey, guys. 100K. Listen, 100K. Trust me. Fucking 100K. Anyway, whenever I get emotional like this, I only get emotional with Bitcoin. Nah, not gonna lie. Everything else, like indices, forex, I don't fucking care. But I don't know why I have such like it's like competition. I don't know. It has to pump more. I don't know. It's a different breed. Anyway, first key level is 88, so 90K we're gonna rotate, and after 90K what's gonna happen is probably, oh, easy target, guys, this is so easy target. What's gonna happen, either we're gonna get here and then rotate back, possibly, or we're gonna cook and go up. Okay, so it will be very interesting here, because many fellas gonna short here. 90K, it's key around number, it's key level. It's key level for everyone and everything. So my advice, when we come to 90K, don't touch anything. I will be sidelined. If I'm this trade, let's say I still holding, I will hold under 100K, but I will hedge it with some shorts maybe, and playing around, but it is worth it. This is probably the fucking bottom trade, fellas. Bottom structure, you see, it's most cleanest structure you could actually possibly have, really. This is what you were looking for. But look, what I want to show you, every pump has retracement, and we're gonna retrace this. Don't worry, we're gonna come to 82 again. Sadly, yes, we're gonna come, but when? Maybe around 90, then 80. Okay, we have this order that's gonna be mitigated, and then we can continue up. It's fine, so it's part of process, so don't form into longs or shorts. Okay, for day trading right now, I'm looking for trade. Yes, right now I was thinking about Ethereum long. Yes, but probably I'll miss it out potentially, but probably it will break. It will break higher. It is what is. Let's use the dominance. You see, so many trend line liquid. It will die. This is gonna die, but it will retrace back. So don't. So we chill. Solana has to break it. So I don't have trade. Yes, sirs. I don't have trade. So we wait. I took L on Euro. It is what it is. And that's it. 150 views, guys. You are monstrous. Big pain. Yeah, sure. So, questions. Feel free to ask a question. Need to cook by Ethereum. You will be cooked. So, question. This is a very interesting question about religious and everything. Am I religious? Yes, I'm Catholic. I'm from Croatia. I believe in Jesus and God, and why it helps me. So, it's very intriguing questions. Why? Because many fellas have different opinion about that, and I'm fine with it. Each human is it has own opinion, right? And it's fine. For me, it helps me to believe in myself. Actually, if I believe in God, I'll believe in myself, because God creates the best of the best. Then I have to be the best of the best and show to God that I'm good enough and that I deserve all wealth, everything what I'm working for. But if I don't show some sign of grateful and some sign of respect, I will lost it. And it happened to me 3 times already. I was on big levels, not gonna lie. I thought even quit my Twitter. It was that close. I was like, damn, I win the game. It's so fucking easy. Blah blah. Shopping. Stupidity. I even trust each fella and put some hard investments, and then all those investments got wrecked. Anyway, it's a huge lesson. Huge lesson to be always humble. How to say? I rather help someone than just enjoying and everything else. I'm glad that I can show you my trading skill, and I'm glad I can help you to understand a few things. And still, what I can give you holy grail of trading, and you will still not be profitable. Why? Because trading is game you versus you. In the end, it's about being disciplined. There's some fellas that I know they are not in technical part. They are not good enough. They are bad. No, trust me, they are that bad. I was like, what the fuck? And then these guys consistently print. They have few systems, okay, and they just follow the system. Even I'm like, what's wrong with you, man? Learn this, learn that, combine, bam, 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 easy money, bro. But they trust system and they mentally better than me, and that's why they printed more consistently. That's the key word, consistency. And I was bad at consistency. I could do great 3 months, then 1 month I'll make so many mistakes, and mistake by mistake, bam. And why I like God, Jesus, because they calm me down. Whenever I listen Catholic music, church, whatever, I just get calmed down. If you check out Max Verstappen, if you check out, I don't know, watch Gran Turismo movie, you will see the guy that actually before biggest race in his life, he actually listens calm jazz. It's his style. He relaxed himself, and when you relax mentally, you will perform the greatest. Trust me. And that's why I need something to actually perform good. So basically, today I had loss on Eurodollar, right? I had this loss, and if I'm not on level that I am right now, I'll probably take few longs here and lose account. Guaranteed, I will lose account because I will be so pissed off because of stupidity of price action. Yeah, price action is right now. This is stupidity, and it's fine. It's fine. It happens. It has to be. The best way is to skip it. Okay, go away from fucking charts. It's that hard. No. But we as human always wanna be the guys that if you work more, you will get more. But in trading, that shit doesn't fucking work. Sadly, it doesn't. It works if you put effort in it. Yes, with a journal, with emotional notes, with let's say even content on Twitter. You showing your skill and you fighting for your place in this market. Yes, that's the effort. But effort is also to not even engage with market. You can check it out, okay, but you don't have to engage. Okay, this one was my mistake because it shows some signs that I was interested, and it was divergence with dollar index. I was like, okay, all confluence combined, it looks good. Let's get in, and it happens. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, 2 minutes. Nice. Ooh. Bitcoin dropped from 86. Ooh, that's not a good sign, guys. Okay, we took the previous high, you see, and massively rejected. That's not the best sign. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. Oof. Tuesday? Can Tuesday be high of the week? Let's see weekly candle. Maybe we mitigate 82 earlier. Nice, not bad. We took previous high. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. This looks like right now like bad pattern, like just now we need bleed, but with just patience. I get many times trapped with this type of price action, but let's see more confirmation if it's for sure. But I do believe we're gonna go higher. The question is, can we get Ethereum? Look at the bitch. You. Patience. Okay, let's wait. I don't like this, so let's see Nasdaq. Let's see. So either we're gonna get big candle to upside, or we're gonna make this type of pattern in candles. You see, this something like this, boom. So it's very questionable what's gonna happen right now. So patience. And we have this low that I don't like it, with flat candle open most of times get filled. So this is drawn liquidity. So let's see. Let's be patient. Anyway, feel free to ask. Not yet. Yes. Good idea. Really good idea. But the question is, we can dump. You see, we can dump it. So we need next candle. It's important. If next candle fly up, nice. Okay, easy. Yeah, missed the move. Cool, nice. But we have better confirmation. Why? Because many times you get body close. Even you get body close like this, and then next candle just dump like this. Really, it happens many times to me, and I was like, how the fuck it's possible? Well, no, like, what's wrong? So patience. Let's see structure of the next candle. We need break of the high, but still H1. Anyway, Ethereum, can we get? It looks ugly. I don't want to be stuck in the range, you know. I don't want to be stuck. Even I believe we're gonna get solid, huge expansion. Still, I don't wanna get stuck in this type of price action, to be honest. So let's wait. Patience always pay off. Okay, let's see other questions. Why 82k area? Okay, so 82.4, I think it's a bullish order block on the weekly time frame, and it's important as time frame. So order blocks consistently get filled and when it's get filled, oh my god, sorry, when it's get filled, most of times it will just retrace like this. So that's why I was thinking about that level. Let's check out monthly. Even rejections like this, nice. We have like 15 days, so probably we're gonna run higher. Okay, this looks so sexy, guys. Sexy as fuck. We catch the fucking week. But Ethereum is cooking, so I don't like the cook here. Okay, we wait. Not longing yet, nothing, but I'll tell you when if I long, or either short maybe. Questionable. Really, patience. Let's see what's happening around here. Looks fine. Or not. Let's see. Anyway, let's see other questions. Any Bitcoin setup right now? Nothing. Okay, but yes. About that, I have different opinion on everything, and it's big rabbit hole. And I can talk about that for 10 hours, but I don't know if it's worthy of the stream. This you can hit me up with DM. I'll send you a few links what I like. Yeah, okay. No, I will disagree. For one part, I will disagree. For one part, it's that you don't have enough knowledge. You don't have enough knowledge to be objective about everything. Right now, you have your knowledge is structured by your family and everyone else around, and it's something about Bible, but bro, it's wild game. But second part, I agree with that. This you still be alive for I hope for 40 years, 50. If I finish in hospital, I'll drive a motorcycle and crush myself. Just kidding. Lessons. Thank you, guy. Ada, you watching Ada, bro? What's wrong with you, man? Let's have beer. Okay, hit me up. I'm in Riek. Hit me on DMs. Feel free. That be 2 hours. You bastards using different time frames. I'm like, why you will do? Yeah, why would you use 2 hour time frame? It's and I don't know. Many folks using even 8 or 12. I'm like, chill. H4 it's perfect. H1 it's perfect. It's a perfect linear. It's pretty aligned with everything. And I don't think if you need any more. M15 max, M5 is max, and you don't wanna stack in this. I'm using this just whenever I wanna check something. But M15, M30, and most of the time my entry is around H1. It has to be all aligned, then I can hit entry. On FX, it's coming to M5. Yeah, I agree, M5, because it's Forex is liquid. It has 13 trillion per day in volume, so it tells you something, you know. That's why it's most liquid, and when it's liquid you can use lower time frame, and there is no big percentage in price moves, you know. Okay, Bitcoin is dying. Okay, Nasdaq, this pretty interesting. Okay, we have these rejections. That's why I told you patience. Very nice. Okay, Bitcoin maybe can die. Maybe. Ooh la la, Ethereum, you fucking bitch. Anyway, let's keep professional. 169 views, guys. What the fuck? This probably, I think it's record. Since that there is enough strength to break, therefore there's possible. Yes and no. I mean, NQ probably will run higher. Like, this is obviously that we're gonna run through these highs and taking for this liquidity and everything else, right? So the question is, do we gonna pump from today? And the question is, if we pump from today, then in afternoon session, okay guys, if you're here still, listen, watch in 2 hours 2 to 3 hours. Observe price action. So let's say let price action right now, let it be, and check afternoon price action. So in 2 to 3 hours. And Tuesday is very important day. Even there's no news today, but it's very important day about market profiles. So what I want to tell you, there is a lot of market profiles, and you can use it to actually trade weekly candle. Your goal is to trade the range of the weekly candle. That's your goal. Literally, that's your goal. You're looking for the weekly candle. So right now I'm expecting expansion on weekly. We have this liquidity 1, 2, even 3 previous weekly. Okay, I'm looking for that. So let's say we pump the previous weekly and dump. Let's say even I don't like this type of price action. I don't like the structure of this candle because it's not normal, it's not healthy. So there's a huge chance that we're gonna revisit, but let's put that as for a side. So watch if we're gonna have reversal in next 2-3 hours. Okay, most of times you will have highs or bottoms either in Nasdaq and crypto around these times and time frames. If we don't have major reversal and we continue higher, it's fine. And then you are watching tomorrow and Thursday per market profile. That's important. But okay, looks Nasdaq good. Bitcoin, I can actually like it here, but I don't like the, I don't like the reward around here. So let's oof. Okay, 87.7, 2k move. Can I get? Okay, fellas, I think I'm gonna jump Ethereum. Even it looks ugly. Oh, now it's question. Now question what I'm gonna long. Nasdaq shows the strength. That's what I was waiting for. That's nice. That's what I was looking for. So we have two hours gap. 2 hours gap of expansion. And right now I don't know how to position myself. So let's say I'm long here Ethereum. Where's my stop loss? This is so easy stop loss. Easy. This is liquid. Everything is here liquid. But if we pump from here, we should not even visit this lows. But it can die easily because that's fucking Ethereum. Okay, so what we gonna do? Nothing. Okay, we're gonna skip this. So can we long Bitcoin? Bitcoin is maybe more professional, but this can just be fast visit and then dump again. And then if I put stop loss everywhere around here, I'm liquid. So right now I can miss the move or to 2000 3000 move. So what I'm gonna do? Nothing. Sadly I don't have safe stop loss. I don't have safe stop loss. It's all risky and I don't like it. Damn, I don't like it, guys. I don't have defense. I cannot position myself with defense with safety. Everything is ultra high. Let's say ultra high, and it can go higher, and it will. The question is, so if I long Bitcoin, I have to position myself. So let's say here long, and I need to put stop loss. Even this low is pure liquidity, so I need to put stop loss here. And you see, I have and TP. Let's say half of the week, but okay, this will be this equal highs. Let's say, bro, I have 1 hour trade. So unworthy in my opinion. It's not worth it. If I reduce my defense and let's say put here stop loss, okay, I have 1.5. If I even going lower, this can be easily wrecked, guys. This can easily dump and then going higher easily. So that's the question, because we are now in the range of this, and we can cook around here, back before expansion too. So what I'm gonna do is nothing. Sadly, it's nothing, and no setup, fucking no setup. So we wait. Even Ethereum looks sexy. The more I look, the more it looks sexy. But this is slow. Oh my goodness, so bad. I need like safety like here. And does it gonna have enough power to come here? And in 2 hours, everything can happen. Yeah, guys, this is very questionable. Okay, Nasdaq showing strength, and that's what we been looking for. So thanks God, not this candle, and we're gonna run higher. Do we have entry? No, and it's fine. It's fine. Let's see. You're short. Oof, you're playing around, bro. You will get wrecked. Sorry, you will get wrecked. You will get wrecked. Sorry. Short's gonna be dead soon. Maybe in 3 hours, maybe they have chance. But right now, I think if Nasdaq continue with momentum, crypto will go wild. That's why Ethereum looks so sexy for me to long it. But my job is to play defense right now. Bearish. Oof. I don't think it's bearish, to be honest, because we are done bad, and I'm gonna delete everything, so it is what it is. Okay, we are down too much, and now you have a mechanical retracement after major liquidity pulls. And you see, when you have fast moves like this, you will have fast retracements, and you have these. You can use this. My advice: when you wanna find optimal levels, this is equilibrium of this expansion, so we retrace to equilibrium and probably to OT, so 20k on Nasdaq is huge point level, and if we break 20k and continue higher, Bitcoin is around 95 already. So I was wrong on EU today, so and I told my man Aman, don't short it, bro, chill out, and he could actually get solid win. So I fucked up his trade. So don't listen to me. If you believe it's gonna be going lower, cool, but right now I think we're gonna run higher, but question is from where. Anyway, observe in 2 hours, 3 hours. If you're correct, and per weekly market profile, we should have a high of the week. Why? Because we pumped on Monday, and today is Tuesday. We pumped. We didn't drop, we pumped. So whenever you pumped on opens like this, pretty much is bad sign. Why? Because use power of tree. Power of tree is basic thing. Open, manipulation, distribution, close. Okay? Open, manipulation, distribution, close. So yes, short idea has potential, depends on stop loss. I think it will go higher anyway. Still, I do believe we're gonna get 88, 90, then drop. So tomorrow maybe we have high of the week. Market profiles. I shall find market profiles. Let's check out weekly market profiles. ICT weekly. Let's see. Looks nice. So you see Tuesday high. Okay, this is actually nice. So we have open, you see, manipulation Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thank God it's Friday, so you're always countering. Okay, this is for bearish scenario. Okay, so we have Monday open and Tuesday. Today we pumped, so potentially we can see this. Potentially, yes, we could, but let's see which drawn liquidity is stronger. Midweek reversal, that's very possible, is this. So on bearish one, midweek. So on Wednesday that we have high of the week. So that's like tomorrow. Yes, it has higher chance, but I would like to see 90k then drop. And Thursday reversal, it could happen, doesn't happen in crypto, so most of the time it's already on Wednesday key levels. And thank God it's Friday. Yes, okay. Also, check out Forex Factory. So we don't have any news except the earnings, and I never watch for earnings, actually the actual market. So basically, on Wednesday we have some core retail sales. It's not the strongest news, but it's the in red folder, so probably we'll have some volatility injection. Fed, some probably Powell gonna say something good, and then it's nothing burger, really nothing burger plus holidays, so it's Easter. Also next week we are gonna be in holidays, so the best thing I'm advising you guys is just skip, literally I'll have to skip whole week, probably it's 80% that I'll skip whole week of trading, because you don't want to participate in conditions that are not favorable. You see, you have holidays, you will see euro dollar price action, literally you will see this, the nothing burger. Oh, we dumped. Okay, I was actually wrong then. I was actually wrong. Anyway, what I want to say, you will see this type of price action with this nice bleed. Jesus. I mean, in trendline liquidity, yes, but I wanted to see highs taken. Dang. I mean, this is not good reversal, so. Okay, we dump, and probably range, yes, probably range around here, and then here, and then here. Nice. I was thinking about shorting here, but I was like, nah, this is key level, nah, and that's why I longed, but nah, it is what it is. Okay, euro is dumping. Opa, Bitcoin is dumping. Nice. So what's up? Ujebem ti mater. That's what I was scared. Yeah. So short sprinting. Nice. Oh damn, bro. Yes, that I was scared. That was scared. Good call. Jesus, bosh. You see, no good defense. Damn, bro. Damn. Okay. Now it's very interesting to long. I'll wait. Let's see if we retrace from here or take some lows before pump. Solana is cooking. Okay. Damn. This doesn't look good. Fellas. We need retracement back. So this fast drop. Most of the time, fast drop get filled with fast retracements, but we didn't break the high. Yes. Something happened in the market, or did I miss something? Bro shorted. Nah, this guy shorted. Nice. Killa is good. Alvaro, my G. 100. Printer go bro. Nice. Congrats. It looks solid. So congrats. But still, now I need fast retracements. Okay, now we need fast retracement here. Bam. Let's see if we get big fast pump. So most of the times when you see big dumps or big pumps, 8% they get refilled again. So it makes you scared and exit positions earlier or something like that. Yes, but let's see. Probably. Now we need in 3 minutes pump some pumps here. Oh, Ethereum died, literally. Yes, imagine if I put stop loss here. I will get wrecked. Let's see. Literally next candle, I will get wrecked. Next candle, guys. That's why it's very important to have solid defense. And that's my biggest improvement in my trading. my consistency to watch for defense. You need to have stop loss that's safe. So for the safe stop loss, you need stop hunt. So it means that you took liquidity out. Okay, so let's say we took, so now it looks good, and now it less chance that we're going lower. Okay, and on M15, okay, we need more structural. But let's say it's bullish, says something this pattern. Okay, this pattern is here. Then you can long it, put stop loss with more space, so you are safer because you took liquidity. If you are wrong, you will get wrecked anyway. Wherever you put stop loss, you will get wrecked if you are wrong. But if you're right on bias, then you'll be safe with a little more space. Why? Always put space because let's say we retrace here and then cook and then fast drop, another taking, and then again higher. So it's this type of, let's say, pattern. It's called OLR, opposite liquidity run. So it means that it will price action, or I'll not say market makers, but let's say whales and someone who's pushing price will erect you one more time, because they need to be, orders has to be filled, and that's why 3-die pattern really works. You need one more liquidation, and with that you'll liquidate many people. Okay, that's called opposite liquidity run. Let's see Nasdaq. I want to see M5. Okay, we mitigated. Okay, and that's you see rejections. That's bad sign for us, very bad sign, because it shows weakness. There's no volume, there's no momentum. So let's see, here we have 1 minute, so it can cook, but patience. Bitcoin, nice lower time frame structure, looks sexy. Yeah, I have to admit it looks sexy for short, and I was thinking about shorting. Yes, I agree, but still I do believe we're gonna go higher. And it's let's say if I want to short on lower time frame, it will be sexy like this. It says there, bam. But it's when I check out M15, we have wick, and however, I will not enter this, and especially on H1, this I got wrecked many times when I was shorting like this. Even it's rejection. This time it worked out, nice, it happens. But if you remember 2 weeks ago, it was same thing, and I get wrecked. Okay, so we use this. Now we need OT here. Let's see. Ooh, we have even divergence here. Okay. You see, we didn't take the ooh, I didn't check. I didn't saw it. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's see. Need bullish momentum, but it looks like we're gonna die here. But let's see. You always wait for the body closes. You don't do nothing, let's say, earlier, or decide the bias. You wait for body close. Right now it's bad for longs right now. Even it clean fill here, it looks bad. Okay, especially because we filled the gap and retraced the whole gap again. Check out M1. You see, it doesn't look good. No, but let's see. We need momentum to continue higher, and need the break to upside to going higher. So it will be Bitcoin 87, maybe 86. But let's see, probably no. Tuesday, high of the week. I don't think it's still in, because I believe we are early, but we are in illiquid week, illiquid in terms of volatility and the news. So don't overstress yourself and actually try to chase something, because you will be inside of this range price action, and it's not worth it to be in, and it's not worthy of your mental capacity. So chill. Nothing to do. You see, we didn't execute nothing, we chill. We could execute long. Yes. We could long. Yes. I was thinking about longing Ethereum. Yes. Did I long it? No. Why? Because I didn't have proper stop loss position. I didn't have proper defense. And if I entered here, you'll see I'll be so pissed off because I got wrecked, because every position on my stop loss is liquidity. This week is clean endorsement. Even these lows are endorsements, so we can die easily. So we chill. Yes, it's hard, but it's worth it to actually learn how to chill yourself. Anyway, let me watch Nasdaq. It's very interesting. I mean, I'll not execute anything still. I just wanna see what's gonna happen. Probably, I mean, if we dump now, that's actually, you see, structure will be bad. We have 30 minutes before H1 close. I would like to actually see close around here, some rejections from here. I would like to see rejection and continuation higher, but you see we have space. Let's use even this low. You see how much space we have. We can pop up to OT, but look, if we dump now and come to 82 right now, then it's actually safer for us to long it and hunting 90k. But somehow it smells weird. Everything smells weird. Let's see golden. Gold should pump now, and it does. Yes, euro is dying. You see, it's so weird. So many breaking correlations, you know. It's wild game, guys. It's wild game. Anyway, I'm 191. Nice. On cow, boss. Cow. Do I trade gold? Not much. I'm looking for gold because of conditions, and it's solid sign of correlations. On Dixie chart, Dixie should make mechanical retracement to upside, but I wanna see euro pump one more time higher so we can have proper high and low on the Dixie. Okay, Nasdaq need pump. Let's see if you're gonna get pump. Still, let's say if I wanna enter trade. Nah, I don't wanna enter in this. Ethereum, nah. USD dominance. Nah, nothing burger, bro. Nothing burger. Literally. Damn, so bad. It's so bad. Why I'm not looking any other altcoins? Because fuck that shit, bro. Nah, just majors. Majors making money. Okay, no trades, guys. No trades. But Nasdaq rejecting again. Okay. Thoughts on cow. Which cow? I don't know. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna close stream. It was nice 1 hour stream. Thank you for being here. To be honest, I have to go to bathroom, so yes. See you. Let's see when it's our next stream. Next stream is on Friday. Nice. Friday is ours. Okay, fellas. So see ya next time on Friday, and lot of love, and jump with the questions. Feel free to ask any questions, I'll answer. And Friday is holiday, yes, so we're gonna have educational stream. Imagine that, full educational stream. That would be nice. We don't have to trade because it's 2 weeks of illiquid, so it's rather do not take any trades and save the mental capacity and capital than jumping on these shitards. To be honest, it's so bad. Okay, guys, thank you and see ya. Bye bye.